Would you believe it if I tell you that you can remain in Spain legally on a tourist visa?
What?
Yes, you can. You can switch your visa from tourist visa to 2 other visas. In this video, I'm going to blow your mind and tell you details that will make you say, ha! Stay tuned. Welcome to my channel, Motivated and Inspired. My name is Mimi Faith, and on this channel I do share immigration content specifically in the UK and in Spain. I also do lifestyle and vlogs sometimes to show you places that I go. And if you are interested in this, please do subscribe because I do need it. It motivates me. Yes, I know I'm here to motivate and inspire you, but I also need some motivation from you. So please do subscribe and share my videos, comments if you do have any question. Yes, you already know, lots of you do know I do answer all the questions that you send to me through Instagram, Facebook, and email. So I'm here to help you and give you as much information that I can. Now let's dive straight into this video because I am fascinated. Spain always blow my mind when it comes to their immigration process because number one, it is very cheap when you compare it to other European countries and their prices. And then it is flexible. I say Spain is a gateway to Europe because of their immigration process and the leniency they have on immigration and immigrants. Whilst you travel to Spain on a tourist visa as a tourist, you can actually extend, let me say, change your visa type to live longer period of time in Spain. One is student visa and the second one is marriage. Okay, but in this video we're going to talk about you changing the tourist visa to student visa without the need to return back to your home country before applying. You can apply right there in Spain. How crazy is this? Because in so many countries out there, including UK, you will have to go back home and start the whole visa process again. But Spain says, no, you're already here. You can do it here. How long does this take? 30 days. So normally your tourist visa is going to be 90 days. Once you're in Spain, you can apply to change your tourist visa to student visa within 30 days. Now, can you do it with your family members? Yes, because sometimes you do go on trip with your family members. So you arrive in Spain with your spouse, your children, and you feel like, I want to change. Spanish government say, yes, you can. Yes, you can with your family members. Can you work whilst you are on this visa? This is what caught my eye to do this video. Because when I was in Spain, the rules were different. So I had to struggle really as a student. It wasn't like black and white, but now it's clearer and better. Yes, you can work in Spain. How long can you work? You can work 30 hours. The full working hours in Spain is 40 and they are changing it to 36. But as a student, you're going to work on 30 hours. That is almost full time, full working hours time. So you can work 30 hours whilst you're schooling. But you must actually school and cover all the hours you were doing. They have specific hours and those hours are 20 hours. 20 hours in school and you can work up to 30 hours. This is mind-blowing. I tell you, at my time 10 years ago, it wasn't like this. And you can do it whilst your family is with you. So they are dependent, they have the eligibility to work as well. I wish this was the opportunity I had years ago because this is easy peasy. Now, what are the criteria? What documents are required for? Because you have already submitted a lot of documents like medical report, police report or criminal record report, as well as insurance and all of that. When you are in Spain, they only require for two documents, like two requirements. Number one, you must be admitted in a registered school. Okay, so it can be private, it can be public, it just has to be registered, and that includes language school. School must be registered and you must be admitted, which means you have paid your school fees, you have been accepted, you are registered in the school record that you're going to start school on this date. And then number two, proof of financial status. In Spain, they do have IPRAM, which is financial status to show that you can support yourself without depending on the government. And it is just 600 euros per month. The requirement is really great when you compare it to other countries like the UK here. It's really expensive here. Okay, so 600 for you per month. Now, it must cover all the duration of your study. So if the study is for 1 year or 2 years, then you have to multiply 600 euros by 12 months or by 24. That is the amount of money you should have in your bank statement to prove to the Spanish government that, yes, I can take care of myself. Now, if you are with family members, the first family member covers 75% of the IPRAM. So you do the calculation. For you, 600 by 12 months is 72,000 euros. And so you have to do 75% of that amount. Plus, if you do have another family member, let's say a child, then that third or second person is going to be 50%. So you 100% of the IPRAM, your first family member, which is your spouse or whoever, is going to be 75%. The second person, which happens to be the third person if you're counting from you, is going to be 50%. So 100%, 75% and 50%. I hope I've explained this very well. If not, just leave a comment below or any question and I will answer you. So these are just the two requirements, and boom, you apply for it, you've been accepted, and you can extend your stay in Spain. How easy is this? Now, I'm going to leave the link in which you can apply for this visa is the official government page. So there are different kind of procedures that you can take. So make sure you do read. You can easily change the language from Spanish language to English language on your phone, on your tablet, or whatever you're going to use to browse this website, because it's automatically in Spanish language. If you do have any question, just ask me. But yes, you can change from tourist visa to student visa whilst in Spain without the need to go back to your home country and start the whole process again. Congratulations. Congratulations, because they made it so easy peasy. Now, I hope I have covered all the necessary bits and pieces in this video. If you do have any question, please do leave any comments, or you can even send me an email. I'll leave it in my video, or you can send it to Instagram, wherever. I'll leave all platforms that you can contact me on in this video. And this is the end of this video. Whatever you do, be you, be bold, do whatever you want to do, say whatever you want to say, as long as you're not hurting anyone. But most of all, stay motivated and inspired. Do not forget to please subscribe if you love the content I create. And please watch my videos, share them, comment, do all the nice things you have to do on YouTube. I'll see you in the next video, and it's adios.
Stay motivated and inspired.